When I moved to London, I realized my morning latte is why I go to the bathroom 4 times a day. I'm lactose intolerant. And ever since I stopped consuming dairy, life has been so much better. That's because in the Philippines, coffee shops only offer cow's milk. Worse, some ask a pound more for oat or any plant milk. This is where Dehusk comes in. Philippines' first locally produced, affordable, and healthy coconut milk drink. The problems on the dairy spectrum. 99% of dairy milk in the Philippines is imported, making fresh milk expensive since we really can't produce it. Up to 65% of Filipinos are lactose intolerant, and 1 liter of dairy milk creates 2 to 5 times more carbon footprint than coconut milk. While on the plant milk spectrum, plant milk options in the Philippines cost around $4, where Oatly sells for 7. And many people are allergic to oats, nuts, and soy. If you have a strict diet and budget, you'll go nuts. For coconuts. Introducing the Dehusk coconut milk, fortified with calcium, iodine, vitamin D, B2, and B12, like in cow's milk. We produce at home with home, people, and planet in mind. So we made sure our coconuts are fair trade and organic. At our current projection, we can sell for 2.8 US dollars with around 30% gross profit margin. And we own our recipe. I co-engineered the product with Singapore engineers from Tetra Pak, CP Calco, and Stern Ingredients. Our R&D was guided by my research of around 120 people I surveyed and interviewed from Manila. 2 key things: 80% of the respondents like the taste of coconut, 80% of the respondents haven't tried soy with coffee. Meanwhile, in 2017, the Philippines dairy market was valued at around 1 billion. Within 12 months of launching, we believe 1.4 million is an attainable market based on projected sales, noting that coconut milk is a new product in the Philippines. Moreover, the coconut market in the Asian Pacific is projected to grow by 200% in 2026. We will focus on a B2B model from our local manufacturer. We supply coffee shops and supermarkets to introduce our products to end consumers. The team has experience working with companies like Unilever, Dior, and PwC. I oversee the entire project and assure executions. Quan and SJ support me in the operations, while Kat, Sho, and Chris help with branding and marketing. We need funding. £3,000 will be used to produce 450 liters of samples, which would allow us to validate our product in Manila. Help us make the bellies and the planet a healthier, happier place for all.